Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time, if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 220 points, that is 0.29%, and settled at 75,170 points. Nifty 50 is down by 44 points, that is 0.19%, and settled at 22,888 points. Bank Nifty is down by 139 points, that is 0.28%, and settled at 49,142 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 466 points, that is 0.89%, and settled at 52,294 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 144 points, that is 0.85%, and settled at 16,875 points. The Indian market exhibited mild consolidation post the recent sharp surge. The uncertainty-led volatility is likely to continue as the market approaches the election outcome. Conversely, the underlying earnings growth for the March quarter results so far was largely above expectations, which would likely support the valuation, which is currently moderately above the long-term average. Mid and small caps underperformed today, while defensive sectors like pharma and FMCG were optimistic. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited stock in focus. India and France to begin negotiations this week in mega 50,000 crore rupees 26 Rafale marine jet deal. J. Kumar Infra Projects Quarter 4 net profit 1 billion rupee versus 739 million rupee year-on-year. Revenue 14.3 billion rupee versus 11.34 billion rupee year-on-year. EBITDA 2.03 billion rupee versus 1.59 billion rupee year-on-year. EBITDA margin 14.25% versus 14.06% year-on-year. Company approved dividend of 4 rupee per share. Cochin Shipyard Limited has gave clarification regarding news circulation of heading with Shipyard Bags UK firm's order to build hybrid service operations vessel and titles similar to this. Company said, in this regard, we would like to clarify that these articles are based on same projects on which a further press release has been issued on the operational and technical aspects on the project. However, this is based on the same intimation by CSL notified to the stock exchange on the subject. CSL secured a large order from European client for construction of hybrid service operations vessel on 13 May 2024. Budget carrier SpiceJet Ltd on Tuesday refuted the claims made by KAL Airways and Kalanithi Maran regarding seeking damages of 1,323 crore rupees. These assertions are not only legally untenable but also a regurgitation of previously rejected claims by the arbitral tribunal and then the Delhi High Court, the airline stated. Adani Enterprises on 28 May announced that its board has approved fundraising of 16,600 crore rupees via the QIP routes as it pushes for growth after the Hindenburg fallout last year. We wish to inform you that the board of directors has inter alia approved raising of funds by way of issuance of such number of equity shares having face value of 1 rupee each of the company or other eligible securities or any combination thereof for an aggregate amount not exceeding 16,600 crore rupees or an equivalent amount thereof by way of qualified institutional placement, QIP, or other permissible mode in one or more tranches, the flagship company of Adani Group said in a regulatory filing. Sterlite Technologies Ltd announced that it was selected by the UK-based Connexin to help deliver gigabit broadband connectivity in Nottinghamshire. This partnership is part of a £58 million government contract awarded to Connexin under Project Gigabit, aimed at bringing ultra-fast broadband to rural areas. Tata Consultancy Services has partnered with Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, to develop a quantum diamond microchip imager for precision examination of semiconductor chips to reduce failures and improve the energy efficiency of electronic devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.